Mangan Festival, by the way, pupundri kaya ng bunga na siya because this is the time that we also commemorate sa Provincial Day naman. So Provincial Day is technically May 22. And usually, highlight is on May 22 kung na-notice you ever since. But lately, may twist kami nga ginobra. And I think this would be the norm in the future. If 22 falls in a weekend, that may be the highlight. But if the moment it falls on a weekday, then the highlight would be on the next weekend. So that ma-maintain na mo na cultural nato festival steady na on a weekend basis. Kung natanaw nyo last time, harata sa isang sa isang weekend, kag may mga changes in obra during 22. So 22 will be a special non-working holiday in the province of Guimaras. Kag may gintugang kami dala nga mga activities. Aton nga street dancing competition. So this will be different from the cultural competition that we will be having on the final day, which is May 25. So siguro for mga further details sa preparations sa cultural yata kay Francis.
Sa street dancing, there are two categories. May open kami para mga non-professional ang turnout. Para ang street dancing would be a more inclusive na hindi lang sa manaming mag-prepare. So we'll be expecting one of that sa 22 Governor. Sa 25, this will be the competition sa mga cultural groups. We did some monitoring starting last night. I was there, and you will be expecting another really a very colorful and pompous type of presentation. It's quite different from what we saw last year, even if they don't have yet costume. And I would like to commend Hordan with Manami. I was there last night and they really had a very good preparation. Of course, most of these municipalities are competing with each other. No? Sadya sila kaya tinagawain sila sa ilang mga strategies. So this year also, among mga judges, it's not only mga technical experts sa sahod, we also included those in the marketing side. No? Because use this kind of activity also, we should make also our audience happy. No? Hindi na technicality sa mga dance steps. So may mga in-combine naman ng judges na may marketing experience sa tourism.